Hello guys, so I'm here in PI. So my first time to order at TikTok shop. So I'm gonna show you what I ordered. First, this hat, it's white. Tell me which one. Ito siya. Pwede mo iganon. Pasikipan. Okay? And then, they're all the same color. This is the black. That's the black. O, diba? Black. And then, this is the brown. They're all the same, guys. The same style. It's just different color. Pwede nilagay ito sa loob kung ayaw yung gamitin. And then it ends up like this. There's an adjustment sa likod. Ito. Diba? Pwede mo yung ganyan kung gusto mo. Oh. Or like this. It's better like this. That's the one. And then, the pink one. This is the hot pink, guys. Kakulay na siya ng damit ko. So, which one you like? For me. The pink, the black, the brown, or the white? Tell me. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye.